Okay, boss. Fine. Today we'll start by developing application called a login page with a valid user or not. Okay. By using this one, we'll come to know how to design this application by using having one text view, one edit text, one text view for username, one edit text for using the username or user ID. Next, we'll go for password by entering username and by entering the password also. Okay. Next, we'll go for one button. That button is responsible for to check whether valid user or not, and result should display in where boss in a toast message. Okay, whether user is valid or not. Okay, fine. Let me create the application for this. File menu, new project. Let me give what sixth login page with valid user. Okay, here is my. I'm giving what to remember this username password. I'm giving boss. Login page boss. Okay, because if you deploy this application, what will happen? The page, the username password you forget, then you cannot test the system. So that's why I'm giving one common name. Find boss. Just go to where you have to move boss. Next button. Select phone or tablet. Select at least one form factor. Next, this is my empty activity. Next, this is my main activity. Or you can give the name as a login activity also, not a great deal. Okay, so it's loading now. Oops. Till then, what I do? I will launch my AVD manager. It will take time to load the or to take application AVD. So AVD, let me run this AVD. Okay, this is AVD. Okay, boss, fine. Go to where was load running? Yeah. Some layout. So here, this is the design. This is the design which contains hello world. What I do? I'll remove all the predefined code. Keep coding now. Still loading, guys. Okay. It's a hello world only. If you want to see, let me maximize. Hello world only. Let me remove all the control component by moving to text. So here I'm moving for your understanding. Delete. Related. Fine. This predefined code you can use. No matter. I shown in first hello world application. I shown in first hello world application. So today, what I want to do, I want to use one layout. What is that layout, boss? Linear layout. By using this linear layout, we will proceed for what, boss? Development of your application. Here is my linear layout. Next, when you go for entering this data, linear layout, just yesterday's application only, but I want to verify whether that user is valid or not. So let me add. What should I add, boss? Android colon. First, let me. This will demand for first linear layout. Now here, let me go to this light and okay, let me write manually only. Android column ID assignment at the rate plus ID. So let me give the name here. It is asking for to look at here. HTTP colon slash schemas Android. Do you want to add? Just add schemas. Schema added. So add that ID. Next slash layout 1. Fine. Again it is asking for. Okay, leave it. I will go for remaining properties. Next, Android colon layout. The width in the form of what, was match parent. Next, what should was Android colon layout height. So what should I mention? Match parent. Let me set the orientation also. Instead of horizontal, let me set what is my orientation? Vertical. Anything else missing, boss? Okay, these are the more. This is more than enough. If you want to set the background color, now we'll add that property also. Android colon, Android colon, background. So which color do you want to see, boss? Hash. Let us check the which color, boss, is it? It's showing which color, boss. Let me select the color from here. Okay, well, this is the code. This is the code. Okay, fine. This is my background, and well, I would have to know one more property for this. Whatever the control component should be there, it should be at the center of my application. Center of my application. Then what will you set the property? One more, gravity. What will you set? Gravity. Now you can set the gravity at the center, bottom, top, fill at the end. Wherever you want to start your example, you can start. Okay. Just have the look. This is your view. This is your view. Fine, boss. Now here. Now what are the control components are required, boss? First I need what? Text view. Will add text view. So I need. Let me go for wrap content. Let me go for content board. Okay. So here I don't need any ID. Here just I need what, boss? I have to colon text. So let me give the text as what, boss? User name. Okay. User name. Now see here. Where is the orientation now? It is happening at the center only, na? Fine, boss. Now, what should I do, boss? Any other things? Before this username, let me add first login page. I give this design, na? This let me get first login page. Okay. I add some what can I call, what's that? Text size, textures, then text gravity, text style. Then you can go for text color. Okay. Now we'll go for Rangoli color decorations. Okay. Fine, boss. Now here and colon text size. How much size you are expecting, boss? Is it top, na? Let me go for 35 dp. Why I'm going here? Now let me change what, boss? Text style. Android colon text. Okay, color of that style. Which color, boss? Orange, black channel is black, yellow alai. Let me go for black. Okay, let us see. Okay, fine. Let me move to here. It's a manual coding, boss. Let me go for what, boss? I will enter the gravity for this text view also. Android ANDRO Android con gravity. So let me pick the center. This is also in center. Instead of the center, let me try somewhere. Center vertical. In change, because I set the orientation for layout also. Let me remove the orientation from here. Where is that? Gravity. Okay, these are the top, but let me keep it as a for all in center. Top, center. So let them be at top. Let them be at center. It is getting at middle. I have to go for again orientation. Hold on. If the property is available, then we'll proceed. The property is available. Now let us see. Okay, boss. Now top and center. Fine. Now I don't need this one. Need not to go for this. These are extra bodies. Okay, boss. Now let me add the style also. If you want in bold or italic or underline, whatever you feel okay. Now what is this? Text style. Here is my text style. Now what do you want, boss? You want bold, italic or not? I want bold. So just see the difference. It's in bold. Okay, boss. So I need what, boss? One more. I need what I need. Now next one more text view I need. How to create text view? wrap content, wrap content. Now let me add Android equation. What should I add the text? Username, username. There is my property. Next, what should I add next? Just see the difference where it appears actually. The details are appearing at the bottom of this one, na? Okay. You have to set alignment also. Now, just add all the stuff. What are the stuff required now? Text size, text color, and text gravity. That's it only. Let me copy and paste all this stuff instead of writing all this. Instead of writing, Control E. Fine, boss. Okay. Let me minimize this size. Gravity, instead of keeping this one, let me keep at what? Left. It is not applying. Why? Because layout gravity is which one? Center top, na? Even though that's what I said. Either you add this one where? Here. Either you add this one or remove, no matter, because you are applied gravity for whom? Okay. So instead of this one, let me add the gravity for each and every control component and let me remove from where? Here. Now here I will add the gravities. This is for center top. This is for whom? Left. Let me remove this. Which one? Because two properties have same name, na? Okay, boss. Showing any error issue. Here is double quote is missing. Now this is coming at left by default. Login page, username, which I modified, boss. I don't want in this fashion. I want a top only. So we'll go and hold an approach only. But I want to remove this. Android colon. Gravity I set. Text style is that. Text style. Bold. These all are italic. You only have a left here. You don't proceed for left now. Okay. So there is no need of setting the style. There is no need of pressing the gravity. Now see what's the difference. No difference, guys. So they need to set here gravity. Here is not required. I set gravity for layout only. Now what is the next control component? Edit text. Wrap the content. Sorry. Here it wrap and here match the parent. Okay. What should I have to do? Match parent. Here I need ID. I need what? ID. ID and the ID. This is not uname. Okay. Fine, boss. This is my ID. Just check here. It is appearing here. It is appearing where, boss? Here. So fine. What do you need? One more. आणखीन काय पाहिजे आपल्याला? आणखीन काय पाहिजे? We need one more text. We need one more text view and one more edit text. What I can give other than this? Shall we apply what are the text you are entering in the edit text? What are the text you are entering in the edit text? Shall we apply the color for the text? Shall we apply color for the text or shall we keep it by default? Okay, for that, Android colon text color. Now give whatever the color that you want to give. Hash. Take an example. FFF. Let me select the color from FFF0. Let me select the color from here. Now this is by default which color, boss? The color. Second one's here. Now here orange over the black is better color. Let me go for some other color. Okay, blue, dark blue. Okay, was fine. Sure. This is the color for dark blue. Just you can set the properties either bold or italic, same as it is. Android colon text style. Text style. Let me set as electric. Android colon. Next what I need? Text size. Let me go for 40 dp. Fine, boss. Then see it didn't change. Size is increased or not? 40 dp. Now what should I do? Just copy and paste for what? I want another two, na? So should I write manually? Should I go for copy paste, guys? Whatever you say. If you say, but that I'll teach you later on. The one more is the hint. Now I'll go for one more, guys. Now look at here. Here I made wrap content and wrap content. You want to set the padding? You want to set the padding here? Huh? To set the padding, guys, just go here. Android colon. Android colon. Where you want to set the padding, boss? As a padding left. Okay. To set the padding, you can go for in the decimal pixel. DP. Look at it. Look at the difference. You will find difference from here. Okay. Let me go to here for padding. Android colon. Android colon. Padding. Right. Here I need some decimal pixel. Here also let me go for 15 dp. Okay, was fine. This is more than enough. But one more. Fine. Let me copy paste. Let me change what was ID. Here is my password, na? Password. And what is required? Here is required PWD. Okay. Anything else? Now see the difference. Password and here. Okay. Now what I need one more? What I need? Button. Wrap content. Wrap content. Let me give the text. What the text should I enter? Login. Right? Fine, boss. This is more than. And you can have Rangoli on this button also. Okay. Text color, background color. But the button's a background color. Okay. Just I think it is visible or not. I don't know. Let me change the such size. Android color text size. Just let me go for 25 dp. Means this will be visible properly to us. Okay, boss. Now it is more than enough. Now let me go for what? I need to create just I need to set what ID for this button. ID Android colon ID. Added ID. This is my log button BTN login. BTN login, boss. Fine. So this is the these all are the views for whom. These are the views for your login page. Now let me go to where I got the business logic, na? Okay, boss. Let's go. Business logic is needs to write all default. Sorry, is it needs to write all the code manually? Look at it is showing the error. Let me go for alt enter. Automatic the package will be imported into your main activity dot java. Now what I need? My view also set. My view also set by using which method? Set content view. So what is the view name? What is the view name? Activity underscore main XML, na? Okay. Now fine. Now let me find out all those control component. All those control component. What are the control component name? Once again, let me know. Here is my what one was PWD, and there what is that? U name. Okay, boss. Fine. Let me find all those edit text. Edit text. First un is equal to let typecast into text into find view by id or id dot what I need u name. This is my name. I got boss. Next edit text. Edit text. Next pass is equal to let me next edit text of text of find view by id r dot id dot pw find. Next time first button this is yeah, button. Okay, bt is equal to let me typecast into button bar done. Let me first alt enter let me import. Next find view by id. Next I dot what is button name bt login. Okay, now what should I have to do? What should I have to do? Now let me apply the on click listener. So when I click on listener, when I click on this login button, what it should have to show? It should have to show whether the user is valid or not valid. I'll give some fixed username and password. Current is static. After some practice, we'll go for dynamic also. Okay, fine, boss. Let me go to view. Okay, my ID is also ready. Let me close this one. Let me move to here and let me pass the event. The event name was set on click. What should I find here? What should I apply? New on click sign. Okay, fine. These are the events that are performing on the button. Now first of all, what should I do? I have to get the text now. I have to get the text from whom? To whom should I get whom should I get from it un and pass un and pass un dot text dot to set files. You will get the error. Why? Because either make this variable as a global, means class level variable, otherwise make the local variable as a final, so should not be modified. So these are the issues. So let me say final guys. So this is my username in the thing. Look at here. It is showing one. It will show the make the UN as a file final. So instead of this one, what shall you do? What shall you do? We'll make these things as a class level. So here is my class level. Control V. Let me move the other stuff and just what should I do? Semicolon. Here semicolon. Here what should I do, boss? Here is semicolon. And here I remove what, boss? There is declaration. Sorry. Again one more declaration initialization. It will remove from here also. Okay, boss. Your error will go. Nowadays, yesterday, no, not nowadays. Someone has asked me why shall you proceed for final? Okay. Other if your local variables are there, okay, that should not be modified in the by other what can I call anonymous methods of other classes. Is on-click listener is an interface. On-click listener is an interface which contains its implemented class name. Look at it, new on-click listener. Are you getting? Now this object is calling on-click is the event, is a method. This belongs to interface only. So this should not able to modify. So what shall we do? Or to make it as a final. To overcome that one, make it as what was class level. Where is that? These are the class level, and here I need not to go for final. If I made final, na. So today I haven't. So let me go for what was again. Now here I got one string. Let me go for most string boss. Let me go for most string. Now here p is equal to, now get the p get text convert that to string. Here I got the two things. Now what should I do, boss? Let me compare what are the username and password I have received from the view or from et1 sorry uname and pwd. So I got those in the form of u and p. So what should I do? I have to compare those, na? Whether are they both matching to my logics or are they not matching to my logics? So in this case, what I have to do, just let me compare by using what, boss? If u dot, how can I compare this way? Okay, boss, fine. You know, here is my boss. Okay, should I compare? I can compare both by using which one, boss? Huh? Logical and operator, or you can go for if and else. You can go for if and else. If you feel okay, comfort, proceed this way. Or if you are not feeling comfort, then you can go for if and else. If u is equal to boss, one more condition, nested wise, is equal to again boss. Then what can I call, boss? I should display toast machine. I can display machine two ways. One is by creating the object reference object and call that reference object is a t dot reference that show. Otherwise, toast dot make text dot show. Yesterday we have seen yesterday also both. Now here, which approach shall we go? Directly toast dot make text dot show method chaining. Okay, toast dot make text. Let me pass my current class ref. This is comma here valid user. So this let me add here u plus why u plus this is username, na? U plus is valid user. Oh, fine. This is the message. Next, let me mention the length. Toast dot length long. What should I call, boss? Sure, fine, boss. This is fine. Now let me copy this one. Control C. Here I forget to add one more assignment operator. Now here else. This else belongs to where? Here. This else belongs to internal else. Okay, boss. Else. Control V. What should I mention? Is in late. Okay, boss. Fine. This is the logic. This is for if else. Okay. But if this is fail also, one more else is required, na? One more else is required. So let me make it as common else. Common else. I don't take one more. Better. Okay, was fine. But what will be the issue? You know, username may be same. Password may be different, na? This will come true. This will not execute. So let me go for one more else, guys. Sorry. This else belongs to here. Control. Okay, boss, fine. Shall we run? It is showing one more flower bucket mistake. Sorry. This belongs to this one. This belongs to this one. No extra. Where is the extra, boss? Okay, fine. This belongs to where? Sit down, quick listener. Now here is for. Here is for whom? Let me go for class level. Can I able to find class level variable? This is my class level. Yeah, it's true. Then also showing the error for class name variable. It's true. Guys, okay, I'll solve this problem. Look at here. When you go to Java, if you try to compare two strings by using comparison operator or is equal to operator, okay, you won't get the always true. Why? Because this value is available in a one string object, and this is one more string variable, na? So this compares not the values wise. This compares. It does not compare the values. It will compare the hash code. It compares the hash code. What shall we do then? Dot. What should we call? Dot equals of. Then pass here. Then what pass, boss? Here. Are you getting? Logical and. Where is logical and, boss? Logical and if से remove कर देना. If p dot, what should I call here? P dot equals. Just pass here. What do you need, boss? One more bracket is required here. Fine. Now here I don't need any extra else brackets. Your all errors are gone. Okay. Okay, boss, fine. Shall we run? Shall we run or not? Is logic is right? Okay, fine. Now there are two AVDs. This is I think mine only for laptop. For my mobile, it's running only. Just try. Sir, 20 minutes. Okay, boss. Can you see the view, guys? Let me add what? Username. Let me add some dummy. Okay. What's the dummy? Can you see some distance here? Okay. Can you see some distance, guys? From the text, this will give the 15 dB pixel. Okay, padding. Let me add what? I give username as a boss. Let me go to where? Here also boss. Let me go to where? Now tab. I'm using the tab button, guys. Okay, to move forward. Otherwise, you can use enter button. Okay. Click on here. Boss is value user. I will show you that how to make it star here also. Now look at here. I'm pressing some different. Go to next. Or not enter boss. Let me go to tab only. Login. Boss is invalid user. Are you getting, boss? Huh? Now do you want to write this code? Do you want to write this code or should I skip? Yes or no, yeah? Let me go for first. Huh? Don't write. Okay, was fine. Let me create one new text view. Edit text. file menu, new, normal text. What is the application name? Sixth, design the following app. Design the following app. What is the app, boss? Take this diagram, netcommerce. Okay. Write down here one more message, guys. Which message, boss? Right here, one more message. Not instead of here, right here. What is the name? Let me add here. When you on click on the button, on click on the button, validate username, and what you have to call it, boss? And password, right? Valid username and password, and display in toast. Display result in toast. Display result in toast. Okay, boss. What? Okay, I forget to show you one more thing, guys. I'll show that one also, the text property. Okay. Instead of taking some 3 or 4 extra classes on the attributes of each and every views, while learning only we'll add those attributes. Are you getting? Like size, height, width, what are the things we are doing Rangoli like a work, design like a works. Are you getting? Fine, boss. Just learn this one also. Here, what I want to show, when you go to design, up here, padding, height, style, bold, color. Okay. Fine. Here in this case, in this case I want to do, I want to apply the hint. Where was? Instead of using this username here, what shall you do? Enter username here. When you on click at that one, the hint should go and enter the text. Are you getting, boss, what I meant to say? Okay, so just apply that one property here. What is my edit text now? Here is my edit text. Now here I would have to show you what was hint. Android colon hint is a property. So pass the hint in. You can pass the hint in text name also. You can pass the hint in directly here also. But this is not a good approach. Next time I'll proceed for that audio app name colon Android colon from that string.xml. I will fetch the value from string.xml. Now here I will add enter the username. Are you getting? Now when you look at here, can you see enter the username in 480p, in 480 decimal pixel. Now let me add here also hint, enter the password. Next time I need not use the labels. And next time you don't need not to use text views. Directly shall we proceed from? We will proceed from what? Hint only. Right colon hint. Let me add here what was? Enter the password. Next we will add a validation also. Then enter the password here. Now what should I do? Just run here and see. Can you see, boss? What you can see in biggest line? Huh? Can you see the hint? When I on click here, when I click something, going now. Are you getting? So start writing, guys. Start writing now. Still battery is there. Let me go for first layout. Layout in bracket. Let me add. Next time I won't use these predefined names. I'll create my own use. Activity underscore main.xml. So let me copy and paste whole code. Means this will give better visibility. First let me copy and paste all code, and at last you can write. Next I need what was? Activity class. Activity. This is my main activity dot dot java. So here let me copy and paste that main activity dot java also. Where is my main activity? Okay, control C. Here let me paste. Next what should I do, boss? Manifest is there. Manifest is not required, but for your case if you want, manifest dot xml. Where is my manifest file? I haven't modified anything in the manifest. Here is my manifest. Android manifest. Control A, Control C. Let me paste where, boss? Here. Control S. Let me save into what is the day today? Think Android 6th day. 6th day. Okay, boss. This is my what? 6th day. Okay. Fine, boss. Just proceed for writing. Now, whichever code you will feel that it is not need not right, you can skip that code. Now you are enough matured now. Okay. Those who have practiced, they are enough matured. Those who haven't practiced, what they will do, they will start writing from the scratch only. So this is the assignment that you have to complete tomorrow. Okay? Will you? Sure? Otherwise, I'll consider as a tomorrow holiday. If you won't complete this assignment. Okay, boss? So let's bring the attendance, boss.